I want to demonstrate some super common mistakes that people do when they're trying to learn to cut little girls' hair. Number one, putting tension on the hair. So when you're cutting hair, you always want to keep tension in the hair to keep from like bobbles, and it will also keep your haircut really nice and even. So when you are combing the hair, put your comb in. Put your fingers right behind the comb and guide that all the way down. That way you'll have a really nice and even section of hair to cut. A lot of people will comb it and then they'll just try to grab it. Well, it's gonna cause some unevenness if you try to grab it. So make sure you're following your comb all the way down. Number two, remember, you are setting the guides when you cut the hair, so use the guides. For instance, I already made the first hair, or the first cut right here. So take some hair that you have cut, some that you haven't cut, and that shows you exactly where you are supposed to cut. That's where I have cut, that's where I haven't cut. So you are actually more of an expert than you think. Use your guides that you have set. Number three, make sure that the head position is in the right spot. Anything behind the ears, you want the head tilted forward. Anything in front of the ears, put the head up. Number four, we all have ears and we all have shoulders. So instead of completely avoiding them and pulling the hair straight out like this, you want to cut the hair as close to the position that it will be styled in.